will proceed with strategic positioning of SultanFit. SultanFit positioned itself as a modern menswear brand that keep Malay heritage alive through updated designs. The brand use high-quality mid satin fabric that feel comfortable in Malaysia's hot weather. Its baju Melayu features a slim fit cut, pesak for a better movement and a hidden zip for convenience. SultanFit also add a simple, modern samping motif to attract younger customers. The brand focus its marketing on students and youth, especially around University Utara Malaysia UUM. To grow its reach, SultanFit actively use Instagram, TikTok, and Shopee. Now I will proceed with assessing current reality, which is SWOT analysis. The first is strengths. SultanFit main strengths are its high quality and comfortable fabric, which make the clothing suitable for daily wear. The modern designs of its baju Melayu appeal strongly to younger customers who want a stylish yet traditional look. The brand also benefits from a strong online presence through Shopee, TikToks, and Instagram, helping it reach a wide audience. Next is weakness. A key weakness is that SultanFit has only a few physical stores, making it harder for a customer to try the products. The brand is still new, so its awareness is lowered compared to the bigger competitors. SultanFit also relies heavily on festive season like Hari Raya for a high sale. Next is opportunities. There is a growing demand for modern traditional wear in Malaysia, especially among younger people, which create a strong opportunity for SultanFit. The brand can also collaborate with influencers to increase visibility quickly. In the future, SultanFit has the potential to expand by opening stores in major cities. Last but not least is threats. SultanFit face tough competition from well-known brands with a strong market influence. Fashion trend can change quickly, so the brand must keep updating its design. There is also a risk of negative feedback on social media, which can affect the brand reputation and influence customers' decision when choosing whether to buy the product or not.
The second management function is organizing. Organizing use in coordinating activities and grouping resources to ensure the company runs smoothly and achieve its goals. In SultanFit Sdn.Bhd, there are 8 members managing different departments that helps ensure every part of the business works together effectively, such as marketing department, finance department, production department, and lastly, customer service department. For example, in our company, the production team coordinates with finance team to manage production costs and new features stay cost effective to provide baju Melayu that high quality but affordable to customer. In organizing, there are levels of organization culture. Before that, what does organizational culture mean? Organizational culture means the shared values, beliefs, and practices that shape how employees interact and how work is conducted within an organization. According to Egerson, there are 3 levels of organizational culture that explain how culture operates at different depths and how they influence employees' attitude, decision-making, and overall behavior. The first one is observable artifacts, secondly, exposed value, and last one is basic assumptions. The first level is observable artifacts, which are visible, tangible elements that reflect their organization identity. In SultanFit Sdn.Bhd, there are several observable artifacts, including the company's logo that incorporates traditional Malay motif, store designs that combine traditional elegance with modern aesthetics, baju Melayu design that represent its cultural and creative identity, and employees' appearance and customer interactions that reflect the company's professionalism and cultural authenticity. The second level is exposed value that consists of organization state belief and principles that guide employee behavior and decisions. In SultanFit Sdn.Bhd, there are several exposed values such as SultanFit's mission and vision in delivering high quality and affordable baju Melayu, preserving Malay heritage while embracing modern style and valuing innovation, teamwork, and customer satisfaction. All of these exposed value will encourage employees to maintain close cooperation, share creative ideas, and uphold product quality to meet customer expectations. The last level is basic assumptions, which refer to the belief that everyone in organization accepts as true and follows automatically without questioning and shape the organization's mindset. In SultanFit Sdn.Bhd, the strong belief is traditional Malay clothing is not just ordinary clothing, but it represents cultural identity and pride. This belief drives every member of SultanFit to continuously produce baju Melayu, strengthen their commitments, and reinforce the company's purpose of preserving traditional while adapting to modern fashion trends.
Hi everyone, for this presentation I am going to explain about organizational culture. Basically, organizational culture refers to how people in a company behave, communicate and work together. It reflects the value and practice that shape the overall working environment. There are four main types of organizational culture introduced by Cameron and Quinn, which are clan, adhocracy, market, and hierarchy. However, for this project, I'll focus on SultanFit Sdn.Bhd as the company mainly practice a combination of clan culture and adhocracy culture. Moving on to this slide, I will explain clan culture at SultanFit. Clan culture emphasizes a family-like working environment where teamwork, trust and strong relationships are highly valued. At SultanFit, the company is managed by 8 close members, so the working atmosphere is more supportive and cooperative. The CEO also encourages shared decision-making instead of strict authority, which makes employees feel more comfortable to voice out their ideas. Because of this, communication within the company is more open, employees support each other, and this positively affects teamwork and customer service. Next, I will talk about adhocracy culture and its impact at SultanFit. Adhocracy culture focuses on creativity, innovation, and adaptability, which is very important in the fashion industry. SultanFit continuously introduces new design of baju Melayu by combining traditional elements with modern style to stay relevant in the market. Team members are encouraged to experiment with new fabrics, patterns and ideas, especially to attract younger customers while maintaining cultural authenticity. When adhocracy culture is combined with clan culture, SultanFit is able to maintain a supportive work environment while still being innovative. This balance helps the company preserve Malay heritage and at the same time compete with a modern and dynamic fashion industry.
For this slide, I will explain how leading begins at the strategic level in SultanFit. The CEO and owners play an important role in providing clear direction and motivation to the team. They communicate a long-term vision, which is to become a leading Malaysian fashion brand and to open new boutiques in major cities. These visions help employees understand the company's future direction and motivates them to work towards common goals. At the same time, leadership at SultanFit focuses on building shared values. The leaders emphasize that traditional clothing represents Malaysian cultural identity while still adapting to modern fashion trends. By promoting this belief, employees feel more connected to the brand's mission. As a result, the team become more committed, motivated, and aligned with the company's vision and values. Slide focuses on how leaders at SultanFit guide the team through delegation and innovation. The CEO and owners delegate strategic plans to middle managers, especially in marketing and finance. These managers are responsible for creating tactical plans, such as organizing social media promotions during festival seasons. This approach shows how trust and empowers managers to make decisions. In addition, leaderships encourage an adhocracy culture where creativity and flexibility are valued. Employees are encouraged to share new ideas and adapt to market changes. Examples include introducing modern designs like slim fit baju Melayu with Pesa and collaborating with local designers. This leadership approach ensures that SultanFit remains innovative, relevant, and competitive in the fashion industry.
For the final slide, I will explain leadership at the operational level and its overall impact. Store supervisors and team leaders are responsible for guiding daily operation and supervising sales staff. They ensure employees focus on achieving short-term targets, such as selling around 1,000 units per month. At the same time, they monitor quality standards, including the use of premium fabric and delivery-friendly customer service. This hands-on leadership ensures that company plans are not just written on paper but are carried out in daily activities. As a result, employees perform their duties more effectively, customers are more satisfied, and customer loyalty increase. Overall, effective leading supports SultanFit's long-term growth and success.
Controlling in SultanFit is basically about making sure everything in the business is running the way it should. It involves checking, monitoring, and reviewing all activities so that the company stays on track with its plans and goals. This process is important because it helps SultanFit maintain good product quality, avoid unnecessary problems, and keep customers satisfied. By using effective controlling, the company can detect issues early, making improvement quickly, and ensure long-term business success. SultanFit uses 3 main types of control, which are feed-forward control, concurrent control, and feedback control. First, feed-forward control focuses on preventing problems before they happen. At SultanFit, this starts during the planning stage. The company carefully chooses reliable fabric supplier to make sure the material used are comfortable and high in quality. Product design are planned based on customer preference and current fashion trend, so customers will like and feel confident wearing the baju Melayu. The team also plans production costs and budget early to avoid overspending. In addition, marketing campaigns are prepared in advance, especially for festive season like Hari Raya. When demand is high, by planning everything early, SultanFit can reduce risk, avoid mistakes, and ensure smoother operations. Next, concurrent control takes place while daily operations are happening. At this stage, the production team closely monitors the stitching, cutting and finishing process to make sure each baju Melayu meets quality standard. If any problem is found, it can be fixed immediately. At the same time, the marketing team keeps track the customer engagement on social media to understand customer response and adjust promotion when needed. Inventory is also checked regularly to make sure there are enough materials and products which help prevent delays. This type of control allows SultanFit to solve problems quickly and maintain consistent quality throughout the production process. Finally, feedback control happens after the work has been complete. SultanFit reviews sales performance, customer feedback and product quality to see what went well and what needs improvement. Customer comments help the company understand their needs better, while sales results show whether the product and marketing strategies were effective. Marketing campaigns are also evaluated to measure the success. Inventory is also checked regularly to make sure there are enough materials and products which help prevent delays. This type of control allows SultanFit to solve problems quickly and maintain consistent quality throughout the production process.
For the conclusion, I can say that managing SultanFit Sdn.Bhd really show how important the POLC function are in running a business. Through planning, SultanFit is able to set clear goals, come with creative design and prepare for future challenge. Organizing also play a big role because it makes sure every department from production to marketing works together smoothly. Leadership helps create a positive environment where teamwork is encouraged and everyone feels responsible for the company's growth. At the same time, controlling allows the company to maintain product quality and improve performance when needed. Overall, the effective use of POLC helps SultanFit stay true to its mission of preserving Malay tradition while introducing modern fashion element. With continuous innovation and strong teamwork, I believe SultanFit has a great potential to grow further in the traditional menswear industry.